Just disassembling the middle single piece bench of a 123 estate because I wanted the rubber straps for the seat belts. And you can't evidently get these out with the seat attached. These often snap, and I think they're no longer available. So disassembling the seat starts with the two fold down mounts on the top, just a couple of fillet screws each. It's pretty straightforward. On the corner of each base, little plastic surround with a single Phillips, and in the other piece are the two latches on each side, which actually have 4 screws, 4 Phillips, one each side. The hinge at the bottom doesn't need to come out now. Basically taking them out and then just removing the seat cover, which if you want to use this again, be careful with this. You don't want to tear your material. I'm not using this material again, so I'm not too concerned if the pliers crimp it. And then basically peel off the adhered side piece there. And once the seat cover is off, you can fold the foam down to have a look. Now the straps are still on, and they are basically just looped over a crimped piece of metal, which you can see in a second. So I'm one-handed filming, I'm sorry, but you just bend those pieces of metal out with a flathead screwdriver, unloop them. They won't come straight out. You need to push them back through the hole. And what's interesting at the factory, someone's put those little slices in the foam on the internal side to sort of pull the strap through so that they don't come out even further. Now you can see they don't come out, so you're going to push that through the hole and then gently push it through the plastic cylinder on the cloth side with a screwdriver. So they won't go through themselves even if you try and push them through. I'm not sure if these are the same as on the 124 out of interest, but I recall them being no longer available. There's my seat date of 1979 and the part number for the foam. So you can see they don't come through from the internal side, so just gently pushing them through. And there they are with the Benz logo printed into the rubber. And then the seatbelt buckle side. I didn't pay attention to actually which side they should go up. I don't think that really matters. So there's the metal frame, which is actually pretty sturdy. You can see it's got the hinges at the bottom. They have a chrome ring around them. And then the carpet's adhered on the other side. Around the periphery is a removable plastic tab, which you can use to secure. You can see that's what you clip your seat material on the other side. Now holding the material on, there's basically 4 points, each outer side and then 2 on the upper side, which you'll see in a sec. Now these are basically clipped on with plastic loops. So running bottom to top, I think there was 5 clips on each of the outer sides, and getting them off is a bit awkward as a one-man operation. Basically you need to separate them, which I did with a flathead screwdriver, and then I used a plier with the other side to just push them down. And then that enables you to get them out. Pulling the metal rod out doesn't really work from the fabric side because it gets stuck in the latch. So you can see how there's several of those on the vertical ones. Now, I did try pulling the rod out and learned that wasn't the way to do it. You can see once it's removed a number of plastic tabs and what they loop into, which is built into the foam. And there's 2 other additionals. You can see there's 4 or 5 clips running side to side. One on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. It is the same process, and that enables you to remove the material.